Hey, I'm Young and I'm here back with Hohem Go because the previous video where I thoroughly reviewed about Hohem Go in its feature, etc., I didn't actually show you guys the original footage taken with a mobile phone placed inside Hohem Go. The reason for that is because I was filming in my room and behind the camera. My room was a little bit messy, so I didn't actually show you the actual footage because if I turn this camera around 360 degrees as Hohem Go does, then you're gonna see a little bit unpretty side of me. So I'm here in the outdoor to really show you guys what Hohem Go can do and how smooth the footage is with the mobile phone placed inside Hohem Go and with the auto tracking turned on. The great thing about Hohem Go I want to re-emphasize here is that it does not require an app. So you don't have to be scared about your own data, etc. Everything is done within the device with the AI sensor here. That's it, no app required. So I've placed it anywhere. The great thing is the base is really wide and sturdy, so I can place it anywhere very safely. You guys can actually see Hohem in my shades. I placed the mobile phone vertically so that it shows that you guys can use it for TikTok and so on. So I'm gonna actually turn on the gesture mode. And it's moving with me. Since you guys are seeing me on my YouTube channel, I've turned back the orientation of my mobile phone back to horizontal. So here I am on the video mode of my default camera mode in my Samsung Galaxy, and I'm just gonna turn on the gesture mode on Hohem. And if you wanna turn it off, then all you need to do is just palm and that's it. It's not moving, and do OK sign and it will stop moving. That's it. So turn on the gesture mode and then go around in 360 degrees. So I can just move around 360 degrees and it is super smooth. It's like buttery smooth. Because I want to stress that Hohem Go, this is not the first device with this technology, the AI sensor. It's already in some of their gimbals, the smartphone gimbals that I have reviewed on my channel. So they've just refined this. So of course the technology will be better. And one great thing about this gimbal, it's so good at tracking that I actually get out of sight first. So I just get out of the sight. So it lost me because I'm at the bottom. And then if I come back on, then it will start following me again. Really, really good. Another test I want to do, because some of you guys asked, is if I turn my back so you guys no longer can see my face, whether it will track me. So whether it's gonna track my body. Is it tracking my body? I cannot see myself. You're just seeing my bum. Is it? Oh. So tracking body does not work. You have to show your face, but with shades it works as well. So this is an awesome little device, really competitive price as well. So do make sure to check out the link down below for more information about Hohem Go. And I'll come back with some other interesting tech gadget reviews, so please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you!